Hi, welcome to Notebook Seeker. In this video, I will show you buying laptop guide with step-by-step example which applying 7 useful tips when buying laptop. Don't worry, even you have no idea what is the 7 useful tips, you can still watch, but if you interested, link is at below. Alright, let us begin. Step 1. Getting to know your spending limit. First, I need to find out how much I can spend on a new laptop. If I buy any laptop over my budget, I am forced to eat dry and tasteless white bread for the rest of the month. Based on calculation, my spending limit would be around $800. Well, I wonder what kind of laptop I am able to buy with $800. Let's us find out together. Step 2. Getting to know the latest technology about laptop CPU and GPU.
In this step, I will look for a website showing the latest information about the laptop CPU and GPU. Such as, this website provides a ranked list of laptop CPUs sorted by single-thread performance. For the GPU list, you can find it on this website. Bear in mind that the list only shows the overall score, which does not reflect the actual performance of the GPU. Some games or applications may perform better or worse when using different GPU brands. So it is better to find or watch GPU performance in real life, such as in gaming or video editing.
The following video clip shows the footage of how I searched for information on the current generation of laptop CPU and GPU. For your information, the desktop and ARM architecture are designed differently from laptop processors. Finding the correct information is the key here. Everyone has a different way of looking for information, so use your own way. If you notice, the video footage is speedy. You are right. Because it's lengthy and boring. At the end of my search, this is what I learnt. AMD and Intel are the two most famous x86 laptop processor brands. Current latest generation offered by Intel is 12th general codename, Alder Lake. Intel lowest to highest end offerings start from Celeron, Pentium, i3, i5, i7 to i9 series. Current latest generation offered by AMD is 6000 series. Codename, Rembrandt. AMD lowest to highest end offerings start from Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 to Ryzen 9 series. Step 3. Getting to know your best laptop definition.
Once I understand what features and performance levels are needed for the next laptop, I can filter out those laptops that do not meet my requirements. So my focus will be on those laptops that fulfill my minimum requirement and price that is not over my spending limit. This will be my best laptop definition. My next laptop should be able to play Cyberpunk 2077 at least 30 FPS on 1080p with medium setting. My next laptop should be able to play games on RPCS3 at least 30 FPS on 720p. My next laptop should be able to play games on Xenia at least 30 FPS on 720p. Step 4. Getting to know the official price of the laptop and copy the data into the spreadsheet. I will navigate to each one of the famous brands of laptop websites and utilize their search system to find a laptop list that is no more than $1,000. I will copy all the laptop model that meet my minimum requirement and cost between $500 to $1,000 into a spreadsheet. Let's check out list of laptop brands and manufacturers. I knew Wikipedia is not a reliable source, but it is a good starting point. Those few major brands are taking up most of laptop market share, such as Lenovo, HP, Dell, Apple, Acer, and Asus. There are definitely a lot of others laptop brands that I don't recognize or never heard before. The following video clip shows the footage of me navigating major laptop brands' website one by one and copy those laptop model that fit my requirement and paste into a spreadsheet. Since it is long video, so I speed thing up. The following video clip shows footage that after I have done collection of laptop model data. I will start input missing data. After done input data, I will sort data based on price or other category. Step 5. Getting to know if there are any coupons, deals, or discounted laptops available. I would start looking for coupons or deals from the official website first. Then search for discounted laptops for less than $1,000 on Amazon, Newegg, Tiger Direct, and many more shopping platforms. See if any discounted laptop specification is better than the laptop spec in the spreadsheet list. If yes, put the laptop model and specifications into the spreadsheet. The following video clip shows footage of how I navigate Amazon, Tiger Direct and Newegg to look for coupon or deal or any discounted laptop available. As always, I speed up the footage to shorten the duration. Step 6. Getting to know laptop CPU and GPU upcoming news. I will start looking into if AMD, Intel, or Nvidia will release any new CPUs or GPUs for the laptop department in the next 1 or 2 months. If yes, I will look for any new laptop with a new CPU or GPU that will be released in the next 1 or 2 months. If there is a new laptop with a CPU and GPU, look for leaked benchmarks or performance and put the laptop model and spec into a spreadsheet. The following video clip shows the footage of me trying to search information related to any new CPUs or GPUs model release in the next months or years. This is what I learned from reading some of the news on the internet. Raptor Lake will be the codename of the Intel 13th generation laptop processor. The release date for Intel's high-end processor series should be announced during CES 2023. Any laptop with a Raptor Lake processor could release around the end of Q1 or Q2 of 2023. AMD's next-generation laptop processor will be based on the Zen 4. Dragon Range and Phoenix will be codenames for AMD 7000 series. As rumors said, the Dragon Range processor is designed to run in high wattage mode, and the Phoenix processor is designed to run in low wattage mode. Based on my speculation, AMD's next-generation laptop processor will be released around the end of Q3 or Q4 2023. There is little information on AMD and NVIDIA's next generation for laptop GPU. Based on my opinion, AMD and NVIDIA's next-generation laptop GPU will be released around the end of Q2 or Q3 of 2023. Step 7. Getting to know laptop performance relative to the price. Once I get the laptop list sorted by price, I will further process the list by adding performance relative to the price metric. With the new metric, I can see how many percentage increases in price are comparable to how many percentage increases in performance. Using this metric, I'm sure I can choose a laptop that is worth every of my dollar that I spend on it. The video clip shows that footage of me adding additional metrics. Sorting the data can be quickly done with the help of a spreadsheet, as I demonstrated in the footage. I can see the data set from different viewpoints by sorting additional metrics. By the end of the footage, I got a processed list. Last step, getting to know which laptop to buy. It is time to choose a laptop to buy. Since I got the processed list, I can now select the cheapest laptop that meets my minimum requirement. Or I can select the best priced laptop according to performance. Or I can pick the highest performance to sustain more extended years than a low performance laptop. In my opinion, I will not select a laptop that is overpriced unless these laptops have unique features that other laptops do not. If I decide to wait for a new laptop with the latest CPU and GPU, then I will skip this step. Here is the processed list. This list sure looks interesting. First, I duplicate this list in another spreadsheet tab. Then I will sort the list by price descending. The list looks better now. And I would like to add 3 more metric. STP difference, FPS difference, and price difference. With these 3 metrics, I can see much cleaner now. Let's add 1 more metric for a finishing touch. Next, select a list of laptop that is under $800 with the highest total performance difference and the least price difference. Then, from the list I will be looking for which laptop to use as base for further comparison. Let's add one more metric for a better understanding of the ratio between the total performance difference and the price difference. Based on the highest ratio, MSI GF65 Thin 10 UE213 will be selected as the base for comparison. Since I selected new laptop as the base, so I have to redo the process of sorting. Let's see which laptop is better than this laptop. Copy any laptop that better this laptop to another spreadsheet. Whoa! This is interesting. Check out the highest performance laptop on this list. For an additional 18.7% performance increase, the price increase by 58.9%. And look at the total performance price/price difference ratio. Not a single laptop has a 1.0 ratio over on this metric. That means no laptop in this list is better value than this laptop MSI GF65 Thin 10 UE213. I will now cast my final decision. I choose you MSI GF65 Thin 10 UE213. I believe you will be worth every of my dollar. Thank you for watching.